Ever struggled to find a camera bag that's compact, protective and actually versatile? Check this out, the K&F Concept Alpha Camera Sling Bag. Compact, smart and seriously versatile. It's 33 by 22 by 15 centimeters and is a 10 litre capacity, which means it can fit one camera and two lenses with room to spare. And the best part, you can sling it over your shoulder, wear it crossbody, strap it to your waist, carry it on your chest, or just grab it like a handbag. However you roll, it's got you covered.
Don't let the style fool you, it's built to protect. The fabric is waterproof, scratch resistant and wear resistant, and the inside is packed with 10mm high density shockproof padding. Basically your gear is locked in and safe from bumps, drops or whatever the day throws at you. Plus the removable compartments are perfect for lenses, accessories or even your everyday stuff if you're commuting.
Security sorted. Double zippers let you open it from either side and the pull rings can interlock so your gear stays put, so no surprises there.
Organisation is a breeze. 3 layers of compartments keep your cameras, lenses and your personal items separate and easy to grab. No digging, no frustration. Just grab what you need when you need it.
And comfort? The straps are just 130 centimeters and are wider and longer than most sling bags, so they fit all sorts of body types. The magnetic safety buckle can hold up to 60 kilograms and the adjustable sternum strap keeps the bag snug and steady even on long hikes.
In short, the K&F Concept Alpha Camera Sling Bag is versatile, protective and built for photographers who actually move. Whether you're out exploring, shooting on the go or just running errands, it keeps your gear safe, organised and ready for the next shot. And if you fancy grabbing one yourself, I've got you covered. Use my exclusive discount code Mitchell for 17% off all K&F Concept products. I'll drop the link down below so you can check it out. Don't miss out.